Last night I made a smashed taco In-N-Out style. I don't have all the ingredients to do that tonight, today. I don't have the animal sauce that I made last night. I could make it. It's really easy. It's just like tahini and ketchup and relish and some garlic. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not into it right now. So what I'm gonna do is put on my lentil mixture. And this is like cooked lentils, textured vegetable protein, and a bunch of spices and some potato starch, potato flakes. Why can't I talk when I'm on the video? Now this is a cheese sauce that I made, mostly cauliflower, carrots, a little kimchi, and miso, apple cider vinegar, tapioca starch. That's what gives it its gloopiness. And because I have some wheat sensitivities, I'm using Siete chickpea flour. Last night, to make it animal style, I also took a lot of onions. I took 2 onions. Fried them without oil because onions have their own oil. But I wanted to finish it off with a little oil just to get some of that crispiness, you know? Not much, just like a teaspoon. I'm still craving that creaminess that you get with the animal style. So I'm gonna put yogurt in our south side. Now that sounds crazy. That will give us a nice creamy dressing. See? Mmm. It's really good. But you need one of these. This is good and hot. We got it on medium high. Well, pretty much medium, but it gets pretty hot. Don't have much oil left. Maybe a teaspoon. We'll let that oil heat up a little bit. Take our chia and lentil mixture and cheese mixture, and hopefully I don't screw this up. Ah! Smash it down. So we really want this to get crispy. So good. Like when the lentils brown, and there's a little bit of potato flakes in there too. It just gets so crispy and so good. I made this so big, like I put so much lentil and cheese stuff on it that it's gonna be a bitch to flip. We're gonna try it. Camera in one hand. We're just gonna do it in one motion. Woo! And this, we could just add. That wasn't bad. That kind of worked out. I'm testing this right now. But this is turning out so good, so I'm about to do a big video. But look at that cheese. Also, these Siete tortillas, the chickpea ones, they hold up pretty well. Okay. Woohoo! Get in there. I believe that this cheese is made mostly with vegetables. It's really low fat, and it's not fake. I mean, it is my own fake cheese, but I hate store-bought fake cheese. So now we're gonna load it. Big thing. So we're gonna let it cool off a little bit. This is a huge taco. What was I thinking? Just can't wait. I can't wait at all. You're not gonna see me eating it because I'm not putting my face in the camera. Last night we made it and it was very easy to eat them as tacos. Very easy. I just went a little too crazy. But look at that. Oh my gosh. I mean, look, it's holding up pretty well. I'm gonna put this in my face. This is gonna be to live for. Thanks for watching.